Greetings, greetings, greetings. I'm glad for you to come back. Or if this is the first time that you're here, welcome. Every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament right here. We're doing a series now on the teachings of Jesus. So if you want more people to hear the teachings of Jesus in the Jamaican language, do me a favor. Click the like button, leave a comment, and share this with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, then please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time a new video is released. And that would be 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 11 from verse 14 to verse 23. One time, Jesus did run one demon out of one man. No, the man couldn't talk because the demon did make him dumb. After Jesus run out the demon, the man start chat and everybody was still what happened, jaw drop open. But some of them say, a Beelzebub, the demon ruler, give him power to run out demon. Some other people in the crowd did want to test Jesus to see if really God sent him. So they asked him for one sign to prove say a God sent him. Jesus didn't know what did they in their mind. So he said to them, say, one kingdom now go last if the people them will live in it a fight against them one another. It a go mash up. Any family where fight against them one another must mash up. So if Satan a fight against himself, or in kingdom for last? May I ask you this, since you say a Beelzebub give me power for run out demon. No, if Beelzebub give me power for run out demon, then who give phone people power for run them out? Uno own people are going to say uno wrong about me. But if a God give me power for run out demon, that means a God a rule amongst uno already. When one strong man will have weapon a guard in house, everything we own safe. But if somebody were stronger than him, attack him and win him, the stronger one go take away the weapon them, where the man did think say would have keep him safe and share up all away and take. Anybody when no depend for me side against me, and all who na help me gather a scatter. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.